Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating a name for the center of a hula hoop. So let's just go ahead and start. It's pretty simple, pretty fast. We're in Design Space. We go ahead and click on text. With the caps on, we type in the name we need. And we go ahead here and on the left hand side we select the font. So I'm going to select Cricut, filter my fonts, and the font is the Cricut Alphabet Curl. Once we have that, we go ahead and I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom in this name. After we clean it up, then we go ahead and size it. Let's just clean it up here. What I did was I went here on the right hand side, I clicked on the eye so I can hide the background. So we're gonna go ahead and ungroup, and I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that background. I don't need that. Okay, we go back to the name and we go ahead and ungroup. Why ungroup? Because I want the letters to be touching. This will be a cut image, not a print and cut. It's a cut image. How you know that? You go here on your right hand side and you see the scissors. Now that the name is ungrouped, we go ahead and align it here. I always align it on the grid. We take the second letter and just go ahead and put it together. We take the third letter and we do the same. Okay. That one's good. Let's go ahead and align this one. The letters have to be touching because once it cuts, you have one piece. Because this name will not have a background, will not have nothing to hold it. So we just need all the letters together. Okay, this is good like that. Looks nice. We go ahead and highlight it. And again, we group it. Once we group it, we go right here on the right hand side, the bottom right hand side, and we click on Weld. This will be one piece. When your machine cuts these letters, cuts this name, let me just go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see what I'm saying. Once you weld it, the machine will cut all around and then cut these little holes. But that's fine because that will be covered up with glitter. Let's go ahead and size it. Unlock it and we click on 21 and it'll be 11 inches the height, and we lock it. Let me just go ahead and zoom out the screen. And we go ahead, once we're done here, we go ahead and make it. It's just saying that you need a bigger mat. There it is, right here. The mat is 22 inches, so we are good to go. Once on the screen, we go ahead and click on Continue. You select your machine. Your dial, you have to set it to poster board. Once you select your dial to poster board, you go ahead and you upload your mat. What's going on with this? Okay, you upload your mat, then you go ahead and you press the go button. Once you cut your name, we'll be right back so we can start to glitter it up. I'll see you in a few. Okay, now that we have our name already cut out, we're gonna go ahead and start to glitter it up. I have rose gold glitter, and I have Mod Podge and a paintbrush. We're just gonna go ahead and start one letter at a time, applying the Mod Podge. I can't find my other little bin, so I can pour a little bit of Mod Podge. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip it in and to keep it moving. I have a poster board underneath so it can catch the glue. Once I'm finished applying the glue, I'll just go ahead and remove it. I'm just applying a generous amount of glue to the letter, the first letter. I'm going to hold it down. The client didn't want, I offered to make it wood, but she just says she wanted poster board because she will attach it to a hula hoop. So I'll just start. I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward the video because I'm just going to go ahead and apply the glue as quickly as possible for it not to stick to the bottom, this gray poster board that I have to catch that glue. Okay, so see you in a bit. Okay, now that we have all our glue, we're going to just go ahead and quickly and start sprinkling. Let me move this a little bit. Okay, sprinkle the glitter. Don't worry if you miss a few spots. If you do, we just go ahead and apply the Mod Podge again and reapply the glitter. It's gonna come out real nice. Just doing all the glitter. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this glitter. What I'm going to do is lift it up. See, I need glue here. I need the glue dried. I didn't put enough glue on this side. I'm just going to go ahead and let this first coat dry, even though I need glue on this side. But I'm just going to remove it from this gray poster board because I don't want it to stick to that gray poster board. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean all this up, let it dry. I'll be right back so we can apply the second coat of Mod Podge. Okay, I didn't clean the table because I'm going to go ahead and apply more glitter to it. I'm just going to go ahead and we have that. That's dry. So let's just take the second coat. apply that second coat. And what I'm going to do, when I apply that second coat, I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle glitter. I would have done that first when I did that first coat to avoid coming back again, but that's fine. We just go ahead and apply that because it's dry. So we apply that Mod Podge. It will go ahead and stick. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll do the second coat, and I'll be right back because I'll clean the table as well. Let it dry. And what I do usually is to let it, when it's drying, almost like 20 minutes into drying, I'll just put something heavy on it so it won't crinkle up. Because with the glue, it will start crinkling up. So try to hold it at the end, or maybe put tape on the back. When you put tape on the back, you just paste it to, I don't know, the table when it's drying. That way it won't, like I said, crinkle up. Okay, let me just go ahead and finish this, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are done. I just went ahead and applied the second coat, and I'm just letting it dry. And once it dries, I go ahead and take the adhesive spray and just spray it for the glitter not to continue to come off, or apply one thin coat of Mod Podge. I would prefer the spray. It dries really fast. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will get a picture from the client once the hula hoop is done, and I will add it to the video. I hope everyone will have a blessed evening and happy crafting.